Hi friends, just popping in to share a little bit about this month's freebie, the Hello Friend card kits and bits. This is something new that I'm starting this year to thank you for being a subscriber to my email list and in my community. So every month I'm going to have exclusive content right here where you are right now, and I'm going to share a little bit of a video with the project, and hopefully it'll be fun for you and you can craft your joy. So this month's video and project is called Hello Friend, and it's a designed card with my art, and you can print it, cut it, and download it. Print, download, and cut it. Sorry about that. And it comes with a matching envelope and a seal for you to create. So what's going to happen in the download is that you're going to get 4 different sheets. So the first sheet is a little bit of an instruction sheet and shares a little bit of a photo of the project. The second sheet are 2 cards on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So when you print them out, all you have to do is cut around them and cut down and score across the 4, and you'll be good to go. And there are directions right here on the sheet. And then the second sheet is the envelope template, and basically you're just going to cut it out and you're going to score it where it says, and you're good to go. And then the last sheet is a bunch of the seals that are on the back of the envelope. So you can either cut these out with a 2-inch hole punch, or really I just cut around the really light line that I've provided for you with scissors, and you're good to go. So I just want to thank you for being a big supporter of me and Indigo Jade Art, and this is the whole reason why I decided this year to do this exclusive content for my subscribers. So if you have friends or family you think that might be interested in becoming part of my community, send them over to my subscribe area on the website and have them opt in for email. And I don't spam. I only send like 2 to 3 emails a month, and I hope to bring you lots of value. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I would love to see what you're doing with the Hello Friend project after you download it. So if you want to take a photo of how you're using it and tag me in social media, either in Facebook, my Facebook business page, or over on Instagram. And in the download, if you're not already following me there, all the details to find me are there. So have a wonderful day, and thank you so much.